We have 5 exercises that we're gonna do 5 times, so 5 rounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through the exercises real fast. So our first one is going to be a plank row. So in that high plank position, pulling all the way to your chest. If you don't have weights, then you can be in that high plank and you're tapping opposite hand to hip. And then if you do have your weight at the half, you're gonna switch sides. You can do this on a bench or an elevated surface, doing the same thing. And then our next one is going to be a clean to reverse lunge. So lunging back, cleaning those weights up as you stand up, switching legs every time. If you only have one dumbbell, then you'll just stay on the same side until the half. And then if you don't have weights, then you can do a single leg deadlift to knee raise, so tapping something in front of you, bringing the knee up, tap, knee up, same arm, same leg, and then switching at the half. And then our next exercise is going to be a planche push-up. Again, you can do this on a bench, but hands are going to be turned out. You're going to be up on your toes, so up on the toes, palms turned out, and your shoulders are going to be past your wrist, doing push-ups, just like that. These are going to be a little harder than regular push-ups. And then next exercise is a goblet squat to 2 pulses, so depending on your weights, either holding one weight to your chest or 2 weights up by your shoulder, squatting down, pulsing 1, 2, coming up, 1, 2, up. And then our 5th exercise is going to be a mix of 3 exercises, so 20 seconds on each, 20 seconds of predator jacks. So coming down, opening arms up together, and then high knees. And then our 3rd exercise is going to be the Spider-Man jump. So squat, jump, spin, all the way around. If you're not doing that, then you can do drop-ins instead. All right. So first exercise is that plank row, staying on the same side until the half. All right, ready, and start. So plank row, getting in that plank position, pulling all the way up to the hip. If you're not doing that, then you're gonna do opposite hand to hip, tapping, and start. Good, staying on the same side until the half. And halfway. Good, again, if you're not doing that, then you're tapping opposite hand, opposite hip if you don't have any weights. Good, 10 more seconds. Good, last one. And stop. Good, all right. Next one is that reverse lunge to clean. So 2 weights by your side or just one. If you're using one, you'll stay on the same side. So reverse lunge and then cleaning as you stand up. If you can, you're alternating every time you're using 2 weights. And start. Good. Or again, if you don't have any weights, then you can do a single leg deadlift. You can add in a hop to make it a little more challenging. Good. And halfway. Go ahead and switch legs. If you're doing one, good, almost there, you got it. 10 more seconds. Good, last one. And stop. Next one is that planche push up. So again, palms are turned out and you're gonna be past your shoulders. So this is the position that you would be in on the floor. And start. Again, you can do this on a bench. That'd be a little easier, or if you're still working on push-ups, do regular push-ups. Good. Or coming to the bench, same thing. Good. Halfway. Good. All right, 10 more seconds. Those planche push-ups should be fairly hard, Rick. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, all right. Next one is the goblet squat. So grabbing your heavy dumbbell, holding it to your chest. If you don't have dumbbells, then you'll just do squats with pulses. So one squat, 2 pulses, all the way up. 2 pulses at the bottom. Good. And halfway. Good. Yep. Pushing those hips back. Chest is nice and tall. All right, 10 more seconds, just a few more. Good, keeping that chest up. Good, last one. And stop. Good, all right, next one. Last one of the 5 is a mixture of 3 exercises, so 20 seconds of each. We're starting with the predator jacks. Ready? And start. So opening up, coming together. And high knees, switch to high knees. Knees coming up. And Spider-Man jumps or drop-ins. Tap the floor, jump, spin around. Or you're doing drop-ins. And stop. Good, all right. So that was one group of 5. Going through 4 more times. All right, so on that plank row. Ready? And start. Same side until the half. Yep, no weights. Again, you're tapping opposite hand to hip. And halfway. Good, almost there. 10 seconds. Good, keeping those hips down. Feet can be wider on this one. There you go. Good, get those hips down, Mary. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, all right. Next one is that clean to reverse lunge. Either doing one arm or 2. If you're doing 2, you're switching legs every time. 1, you're staying on the same side. And start. Or if you're doing that single leg deadlift, knee raise or jump. And start. And halfway. Go ahead and switch sides if you're doing one. If you're doing two, just keep alternating. Good, still trying to get that back knee down in that lunge. Good, 10 more seconds. Good, last one. And stop. Good, all right, on the planche, push up again. Again, palms are turned out. Shoulders are past the wrist. And start up on the toes. Yep, we're doing it on an elevated surface or working on that regular push-up. Good. Does look good, keep going. You're doing that planche push-up, shoulders come past the wrist. Halfway. Good, almost there. You got it, Rick. Keep going. All right, 10 seconds. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, all right. Onto that goblet squat again with 2 pulses at the bottom, holding that weight to your chest. Ready? And start. Squat, pulse, up. Good. Squat, 2 pulses, up. Squat, 2 pulses, up. Good. Keep it going the whole time. Halfway. So 30 seconds left. Mary! She left us. Good. Keep going. 10 seconds. Just a few more, Rick. Make sure that weight is tight to your chest, touching your chest if you have a weight. And stop. Good, all right. On to the combination of 3 exercises with those competitive jacks to start. And start, 20 seconds. And high knees. Get knees to belly button level. And Spider-Man jumps. Tap the floor, jump, spin. Yep, or you're doing drop-ins. Good. 10 seconds. Keep going. Jump, spin, jump. And stop. Good, all right. Back to the first exercise, plank row, 3rd time through. So 2 more, ready. And start in that high plank, pulling all the way to your hip, or tapping opposite hand to hip. Yep, remember, feet are wider and hips stay down. Halfway, go ahead and switch. Good, almost there, keep going. Good, try to make sure those hips don't rotate. 10, last one. And stop. Good, all right. On that reverse lunge to clean or that single leg deadlift. Ready? And start. So lunging back and popping those weights up to your shoulder as you stand. Pop them up. Good, staying on that same side, Rick. And halfway, go ahead and switch. Trying to get that knee down, using those hips to pop those weights up. 10 more seconds. Good. And stop. Good, all right, on that planche, push up. So, palms are turned out, ready. And start. Palms are turned out. Shoulders are past the wrist, so they're in front of the wrist. Coming down, pushing up. Good, up on the toes, up on the toes. That's good, Aaron. Hips down, Mary, hips down. There you go, core stays tight on this one. Halfway, almost there, you got it. And that planche push up, you're almost in a hollow body position. Yep, stand nice and tight. Come on, Jeremy, almost there. 10 more seconds. Good, and last one. And done, good, all right. On the goblet squat, holding that weight to your chest, squatting down, 2 pulses, and then back up, ready. And start, squat, 2 pulses, all the way up. Squat, 2 pulses, all the way up. Good, sitting those hips back, Jeremy. That's better, good, Patty. There you go, Mary. Good. Keeping that chest up, that looks good. Almost there, Aaron. Halfway. Just a few more. Good. Those look good, Aaron. All right, almost there, Rick. Good, 10 seconds left. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, all right, the combination of 3, starting with the predator jacks. Right into it. 20 seconds. Good, getting low, opening arms up, come together, good. There you go. Good, keep going, come on, Rick. And high knees, high knees. Knees all the way up to the belly button. You can get hands out, try to tap knees to hands. Good, up, up, up. Higher knees, Jeremy, they're not touching. And Spider-Man jumps to finish it. Jump, spin, jump. We're doing the drop-ins, good. Keep going, jump, spin. Good, almost there. Come on, keep going, Jeremy. Last one. And stop. Good, all right. On that plank row. 4th time, just 2 more rounds. More than halfway. Plank row. Or tapping opposite hand to hip. Ready. And start. Good. Nice, tight core in this, making sure those hips don't sink. Pulling all the way to the chest. Yep. You want to stay nice and flat. You don't want hips to go one way or the other. You want to keep them straight. Good. Halfway. Go ahead and switch arms. Good, almost there. You got it. 10 seconds. Last few on this one. And stop. Good, all right, reverse lunge to clean. Popping those weights all the way up. Ready. And start. Either switching legs every time or same leg, same arm if you're doing single. Good, or that single leg Romanian deadlift if you have no weights. Add a jump in this time if you can. Good, get that knee down in that lunge. And halfway. Good, almost there, you got it. 10 more seconds. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, all right, planche, push up, palms turned out. Up on the toes. Body is forward, core is tight, coming down, and all the way up. Good, keep going, Rick. Hold that hollow body nice and tight, halfway. You got it, Aaron, almost there. Good, 10 more seconds, Mary. Just a few more. Good, last one. And stop. Good, all right. Next one is the goblet squat, holding that weight to your chest and 2 pulses. Right into it. Yep, or 2 weights up on your shoulders. If you only have light weights, that's also fine. Good. Trying to get deep squats as low as you can. Good, and halfway. Almost there, you got it. Keep it up, keep it up. Good, 10 seconds. Good, and last one. And stop. Good, combination of 3, starting with the predator jacks. Opening up, coming down, ready. And start. And high knees, high knees. Good, and Spider-Man jumps. Or drop-ins. Either one. Try to do Spider-Man jumps if you can. If you have knee issues, do the drop-ins. And last one. And stop. Good, all right. Last round. You've made it. All right, ready. On the plank row, one last time, or the high plank. Tapping opposite hand to hip. Ready. And start. Good, keeping those hips down, core is tight. Really squeeze. Trying to make sure those hips don't lean one way. You got it. Almost there. One more, Aaron. And halfway. Good, Jeremy. Hold it tight. Almost there. Good, Mary. Keep going. Turn those hips a little bit to the right. There you go. Good, 10 seconds. Come on, Rick, last one. And stop. Good, all right, clean to reverse lunge. So lunging back, cleaning those weights as you come up. Reverse lunge to clean, ready? And start. Lunging back, popping those weights up, switching legs every time. If you're just doing one weight, one leg, whatever leg goes back, that's the arm that's cleaning. Good. Using those hips, popping that weight all the way up to your shoulder. Halfway. Good. Or doing that single leg Romanian deadlift if you have no weights. Adding a jump. Good. Just a few more. You got it. 10 more seconds. Good. And last one. And stop. Good. All right. Planche push up. Last time on this one. Ready. And start. All right. On that push up. Palms turned out. You got it, Erin. 3 more. 3 more. You can do it. Good. That's it. Keep going. You got it, Rick. Halfway. Just a few more. Try and get as many as you can. Hold the high plank if you need to, and then get a few more. Last bit, last bit. You got it. Come on, Jeremy. 10 more seconds. Let's get 2 more in. 1. Good. And last one. And stop. Good. All right. Goblet squat. Holding that weight tight to your chest, or 2 weights up on your shoulders. 1 squat, 2 pulses. 1 squat, 2 pulses. Ready. And start. Squat, pulse, pulse, up. Good. That's it. Keep going. Good. And halfway. Good. Keep going. Get ready. Last 10 seconds. We're holding it at the bottom and we're pulsing until the end. All right, ready. And 10 seconds at the bottom, pulsing until the end. It's gonna be a Lee Powell 10 seconds, so it's a long one. 5 seconds. Pulse up, 3, 2, and done. Good, all right. All right, last one, the combination of 3 exercises, predator jacks, high knees, and Spider-Man jumps. So starting with those predator jacks, right into it. And start. And high knees, high knees. 20 seconds, getting those knees up. Knees up. And Spider-Man jumps. Tap the floor, jump around. Keep going, keep going. Jump, tap, jump. Good. 10 seconds. Last few. You got it, Rick. Almost there. 5, 3, 2, and done. And y'all are finished. Good job.